Kha ina nawi pangshab wuivang la sara makhanga jele ka shiwivang ina ngathorshong la sara ka jana na iwi ka khanang atam li iwi ngayin khawai raiban sami la machine hangphanga da jiko tija trada thruk remakeup da ajui kamadaya baobing Manipur wuivang CRIF scheme wi azingli shongfu hangphanga da shini wi ot approve sa haira Annual Blandly Luba Tingka Shakatum Hangpanga Crorman National Highway Projects Kani Zang Dalei GPRN Tangkhul Region the Shiri Wei na Hapok the Kajau Pung Rashungda BMGSY Shongfu Condition Yangwa Haira Contractors Bingli Gataga Pekar Mikhavai Hang Haira Leikyang motor, ache the Tangkhul Express we bao inji Shankhui in a bami dalei, bao ping may sign at Nganang Rumsa. Manipur we National Highways Matasang Kavai, Central Road Fund, CRF we in a Lupa Crore Tinka Mira the Union Road Transport and Highways Minister, Nidin Gadkari na Dui Mihaira. Maram hi Hortang Northeast we National Highway Projects Review Gasa Gazibli Kahang Naji. Shorkari official Janbao Ngadeda Kashok Akali Kahang, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways with Financial Year 2024-25 Annual Blandly Manipur wuivang National Highway Projects Kani Zang Dalei. Kalaji Lupa Crore Tingka Shagatum Hangpanga Man Kilometers Hangjigo Ashungra da Hanga. PIB Bautaka Project G Gapungbam wuivang Asara. Manipur wuivang National Highway Projects Hangpanga Mayami Haira Ministry wi Baujina Hanga. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways na kilometers Shaka Maguda Truk Washungi Gaji National Highway Projects Hangpanga Gada Mayami Haira. Jiwing a jaili kilometers Shajigo Abakani Gaga Projects Hangmadi da Madi Kapungbam wuivang na Ji. Kilometers Shaka Maguda Pangagaga Projects Jishat Kapungbam li Sahira. Kala Leida Khalei Projects Tumrada Turuk, kilometers Shashini Hangshini da Shini wuivang, estimated budget Lupa Crore Ting Trada Kani eina Dalei the Ministry Bao Jili Hangsanga. Lakhavak, Central Road and Infrastructure Fund, CRIF scheme azingli, Manipur wi Shongfu Hangpanga da Shini wi Otsagawai, Maya Kamili Gapungshong wi Mazang Tura. Hang da Khalei hi Ministry of Road Transport and Highways wi azingli, Lupa Crore 217.50 man in a semgi gachina. Ajawan direct disha tang Manipur BWD Secretary li Ministry Jiwi GT Kung atishurda pay gajang Manipur Public Work Department na CRIF Works Shaka Tarada Aka wuivang Concept Note Misanga. Kalaji Lupa Crore 399.36 kada we od CRIF schemes we azingli sami kawai gabona. Manipur BWD na Gabo Works Shaka Tarada Aka Wing Jaili, Competent Authority na Hangpanga da Shini Mayami Haira. Approve Saga High Ochi Shongfu kilometers 317.49 Gaya. Kala Jiwi Aman Lupa Crore 217.50 Gada Zangra. Ka approve Saka Miji Saikora Tambang Shom Mida, Kapungwi Akala Mazang Mitura. Ministry Jina PIB li Bao Kami Atishurda. CRIF wi Shongfu ot Maya Kamiji, balance of share, BOS ratio atishurda sa kamina. Ministry na works hangpanga da shini priority atishurda Mayami Haira. Jithada Ara Hilly State wi BOS ratio 4 in a leiran, 9.81 in a le Haira da hanga. GPRN Tangkhul Region CEO Nathum Border Area Reach Out Missions at Haira Gala Arui wi eina hapok da Kajau Pung Rashungda wi BMGSY Shongfu gasem wi condition la yangwa Haira. Shongfu wi maram gala jiwi eina kasak sambang da khalei maram ramnau bing wi eina shaga khui sambang da WTR na concerned contractor saikorali kathaga pekar khui khawai jishat Haira. BMGSY package number MN09220 BBPMGSY LSB B1 2018-2019 5RT Jamu do Gajaupung wi Bailey Tongasem Jamu do Gajaupung Shongfu package number MN0988 L033 Jamu do Gajaupung package number MN0920 do phase 11 B1 2018-2019 Hibing Hiwi contractor Saikor Regula thong assembly zangda khalei saikorana machineries kala material components ka chang akawe alongdi deploy sa khawai WTR na hang haira abam pingjiwi khung daraka Shankhui wuivang electricity mavakapei layer da hang sanga Chithada sada contractors ina subcontractors being the WTR with notification ji saglak ina khuida kathaga phekar khi phalungra gaji WTR na hang haira Saint Joseph College Ukrulwi College Week Hapok Haira College Week Haukapok Angran Angye Ajahon Kwikada Kazip Chili Imphal Archbishop Reverend Archbishop Linus Nelly Didina Masowo Sada Wazanga Kazip Chili Ring Anai Catholic Institutions Akoga Bingla Bangarumba Habda Aka Mayon Gida Khalei College Jiwi Angran Angye Haukapokli Principal Father Dr. Barvis John College Week Wikan Kanamaram Hangsanga College Week Kamayon Gadam now being we lemmet ngadaday de later clay. Mareo ngahan cultural activities kala academic ngahan li gatem jitake away abong asaya the principal jina hanga. Reverend Dr. Linus Nelly Didi na kamadwili College jina academic excellence kala holistic development li yangasang wuivang maya kangay pong shoka. Gadam now being intellectual ay nang soda moral growth mikhavai Reverend Linus na kasatsanga. Manipur University we azingli room kami examinations li college we aina toppers shokang wuivang Reverend Linus na management gala faculty members li mayakangai pong shoka ayawi angran ang yeli gadam now bing la faculty members sang the wrong may ngashanwi mahatla ina paycheck la sajiteya choir duet declamation choreography ngahan la khika haira Habda hili literary ngahan, ngarew ngahan, cultural performances ngadatay da ngaran hay dalei. Saint Joseph College Ukrulwi College Week ji rakhara darik maguda turuk thang kupsangra. Churachandpur District li dengue cases jungsang da ninga kashakle haira. IFP bao ati sure da district li dengue ga gaza cases shaga jishat ga da tekwi haira. Gaza jiwi aina mi gati mashok ranga. Churachandpur Malaria Department na abam ngatatay dali Arui jaimi da dengue mga yaw khawai sa dalei kala ngashar khawai yarili hang dalei la khawak Perzol District liwa dengue cases confirmed kasama lei ranga kha jiwa communication khawat la accessibility li kahableya da bauchili hang sanga Orissa li thongyang ungi da khalei wuivang sarkar na shakjang da khangaran sa dalei Itumna Theibai, India Meteorological Department na jitekami ati sure da cyclone dana goho thongyang gabanga North Orissa ina West Bengal coast bam Buri ina Sakar Island li ungzira thongyang ji akamba ngaya ina khanau thanga thor ungra da leya Orissa State Sarkar na khangaran sa da relief centers shakani hangphanga ga da sem haira jimang maningla worshim gathali temporary shelters sa da ngayin chim shapanga ngaran haira da hanga Thongyang jina masazi khawai evacuate kasa yarili kashagaza gala medical services mirror the revenue and disaster management minister Suresh Pujari na hanga State Sarkar na now vaida clay now being we amingla khui haira kala kasar now shinau la now shinau being safe sakame abamli ba khawai hang haira relief center being jili shinau police officers haimira ngaran ga bai saikor ngaran haira Ration la kan khana khisang haira da Pujari na hanga State we board saikorali red alert ngawau haira kala thongyang hiwe na casualty akala mashok khawai State Sarkar na sadalei da hanga Authorities na jiju khamya t-shirt da tourist being la buri we na hanung phok haira 24th National Bara Swimming Championship li squadron leader Rajkumar Hiroji na gold khani silver aka yuida mai khaya samphang haira ngahanji banjim gwali rumida aya gupsanga India we bera athletes matamai thui gaji bingling handa herojit na men's 100-meter breaststroke SP4 event li gold medal sampang 50-meter breaststroke SP4 event li la gold sampang kala 200-meter individual medley SM5 li silver sampanga herojit Indian Air Force li serve sadalei herojit na awimai khayaji IAF services team coaches shimkhur kala Manipur wi mi bingli dedicate saya itumna theibai 2023 gum Hangzhou China li rungkami 4th Asian Para Games sila squadron leader Rajkumar Hirojit Bazanga Ali 2024 sana Roy Shingi numidli Shurkarna maya khangai jitheida Jack ngaran miya Indo Myanmar leret ngabai ga phienwi khangran hapokhavai 84 Road Construction Company GREF na GT mi shok haira Kamjong District DC gala SP li GT khami ati sure da leret ngabai ga phienwi detailed project report TBR ngaran khawai competent authority na GT mi haira Kala border fencing with DPR ngaran khawai ot ngaruji 84 Road Construction Company GREF li jisin ga haina GT jiwi ati sure da DPR ngaran khawai hangda khle abambing ji jasat Kamjong Old PP6 to border pillar number 110 ina tangda 20.25 kilometers jasat Kamjong border pillar 110 to 169 tangda 26.10 kilometers Jasad Kamjong border pillar 116 to 124 in Tangda 30.30 kilometers Ukhrul border pillar 124 to 125 in Tangda 23.20 kilometers kala Ukhrul border pillar 125 to 130 with 31.50 kilometers ibinghi zanga GT Jili Kahang Thaka, all BP6 in a tweeter, BP number 110 in a dangda with Crown Survey Kala, data collection deem with visit achon, director Rada Jishatang, Hapok Haira. Ot Nguruji Kamataya, utmost priority sada, Gupsangi Gajina da Machan Sanga. Wuivang, Ramna Bing Nagahap Maleilak, Ot Gupsang Kavai, Survey Dim Jili, Kankhana Assistance Kala, Security Mikhavai GT Jili Gabi Sanga. GTJ Achon Director Adashini 84 Road Construction Company GREF Eina Officiating Officer Commanding Assistant Executive Engineer Civil Pradik Sajana Shoisa da Miga Shokna Manipur Fire Service Department na makhokami phanga thangwi Basic Fire and Life Safety Training Program Haupok Haira Angran ang yeji achahon thang haupok da Home Joint Secretary Mayengbam Vido na maso sada wazanga Hagapok Angran Angay Manipur Fire Service Headquarters Imphal Kwikada Fire Service Director L Nabachandran Functional President Gala Senior Finance Officer DH Samson na Kayawo Sada Wadzanga Training Program Zimik Shokaratang Ari Shangala Roshim Bingwi Mi Gudamna Bing na Shirukwiya Training Jili May Gaji Mashokavai, Fire Prevention, Safety Protocols Gala, May Gaji Shoka Hitharan, Katada Kisara Gaji Emergency Response Maramli Damjiteda Khalei. Fire Prevention Wing Gala, Firefighters being the rescue Agap Shijin Jiteda, Emergency Situations Handle Gasa Abong, Ara Otsak Eina Sajiteya. Video na kahang itum community alungli safety gala ngarabing eina leikhawai jigatha training ji kankhanavu ngasaya Imphal Airport li sina phungzat gasami khanili dukhui haira Horthang Central Industrial Security Force CISF in a Customs Division Imphal wi and this smuggling unit na check gasali lupa lak hangmadida madi manwi sina phungzat gasa thega khuina Mikhaniji Guwahati Wakhavai Indigo Flight Li Dongida Legasana. Routine Security Jack Li CISF personnel na Sina James Khani 623.52 grams shika hand baggage li zangasana. Tukhuiga Hai Khaniji Laurembam Ramananda Mangangala Shetri Mayum Kulsan Mayday Hoda Ani Khanini Irashamba Imphal West District with Mina. Anili Customs Act 1962 with Azingli Dukakwina. Sinagala Mikhaniji Customs Division Imphali Legal Proceedings Wuivang Misang Haira. Kumhada Meghalayali Kamayon Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival Ji Ajukumva Japan Ling a Shik that Makok Migida Lay. Meghalaya Aina Japan wi Sahar 1 Kawandi Kangri Tekwida 2024 Angran Ang Yeli Japan the partner country Sada Shirukwira. Partnership Jiwi Manga Aina Panijili Japanese Nation wi Kamata Jitei Kawai Stol Shomira da Hanga. Hanami hoda saharwan wi khamatha khangayo phanichi Japan liva achalakha eina mayon rai kala Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival jina 2016 gum hapokka phanichi rak rang phei direct trada phanga eina trada tharuk thang rumira Rak Ningol Jagoba Panitli Local Water Pangran Sang Mikhavai Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi Women's Wing Nagasat Haira Ningol Jagoba Ajagum Ngapay Dari Katum Tangmayon Gidalei Kokomi Women's Wing Coordinator Wailei Riglei Ma Nagahang Panit Adam ni Ayar Ngalei wi Water Jungmaida Kwikang Rogna State wi Lansin Lisa Gazi Leia Ngalei hiwi eina sem kashok wadyur matailak eina relief camps li kabam internally displaced persons ping na kasem wadyur khui mi ngarok khawai ko commissioner long phangji na kasat sanga Vocal for Local kala self-reliant Manipur campaigns ling asunda locally kasem wat khui khami jina pangot kasa Manipur mi bingwi lansin rin li kadom khami ngasara da hang sanga Ladwida achiwi khamataya bauping Manipur wuivang CRIF scheme wi azingli Shankhui hangphanga da shini wi ot approve sa haira annual blandly luba thingkha shakatum hangphanga crorman national highway projects khani zangdalei GPRN Tangkhul region da shiri wi na hapok da kajau phung rashungda BMGSY Shankhui condition yangwa haira contractors pingli gatha ga phekar khikhavai hang haira Ajui bao hiling a jang haira, bao ngana da khalei Nathum saikorali, ring a pagala kamahaya zimi shong a no.